In this video, I will tell you about the data extraction tool, and using data extraction tool, you can extract a lot of information from your drawing. For example, in this case, we will extract the data related to the attributed blocks, and you can export that data into an external file. For example, a file which is compatible with MS Excel, or you can also insert it in the current drawing as a table. So in this drawing, we have these three simple blocks which has attributes. Now let's say that we want to extract all the information related to these windows or these attributed blocks. For that, you can type data extraction and now press enter. So that will open this data extraction wizard. Now in this wizard, make sure that the first radio button, create a new data extraction, is selected, and now start with clicking on this next button. Now it will prompt you to specify the location where you want to save it. So I'll go to desktop and I'll save it with ATT data name, and it will be saved with .dxe extension. Now click on save, and here we have the location where it will be saved. And this is also the location where our current drawing is. Now we need to select the properties which needs to be extracted, and for that we need to select this second radio button, which is select objects in current drawing, because we want to extract limited number of information from the current drawing. Now after selecting this, click on this settings button, and this will open this data extraction window. In this window, make sure that this extract objects from block is checked. And also you can keep this objects in model space checked, and that will ensure that all the objects which are only in model space are included. Now click on OK, and now we'll click on this box, and I'll select the complete geometry. Now click on next. And we have complete information in the form of this table. So obviously we don't need all of this information. We only need the information which is relevant, and that's the blocks containing attribute. So for that, I'll click on this checkbox, and this will ensure that all the blocks that contain attribute will be listed here and their properties. So here you can see that we have some objects here like these two blocks, and also we have these objects which are not blocks. So you can uncheck these objects and they will not appear in our final result. Now we only have the information related to these blocks. Now click on next, and here we have the final table with lots of objects. So once again here, I'll uncheck in this category filter all the values which we don't want. So we don't want 3D visualization, drawing, general, geometry, or miscellaneous. We only want attribute related information. Now click on next, and here we have our final table. Now in this final table, we have the count for each of the blocks, their dimensions included here as attribute values. Also here, make sure this combine identical rows is checked, and also you can check these boxes to include or remove these columns. For example, you can remove the count column if you want, or you can remove the name column, but I'll keep all of them checked. Now click on next, and in this page you need to select the place where you want to put that information. So we have two options: either you can insert that information as a table, or you can extract it as an external file. So I'll select both, and to extract that information, I'll select the location. So I'll once again click on this box, go to desktop, and here I'll select ATT data, and it will be saved as XLS extension, which can be opened with Microsoft Excel. Now click on save, and once again click on next. Here we have the table which will be used in this current drawing. Now with the default settings, I'll click on next and then finish. Now the table will be visible on the cursor, so I'll click somewhere over here, and the table has been inserted. Although the size of table is very small, so I can increase it simply by using the scale tool. So I'll select a scale, select the complete table, press enter, click at a point here, and let's enter a scale factor of 20. And it still needs to be increased, so I'll select it again, select the scale factor, click at the base point. Now let's enter 3, and now we have it of appropriate size. So now you can see that we have the window 5 inches block with these dimensions, here also with these dimensions, their count, and all the values. We not only have these here, we also have it on the desktop. So let's minimize the drawing. And here we have this ATT dia as Excel file. And here is all the information. So let's now close it and let's open our drawing. So in this way, you can extract the attribute related information from your AutoCAD drawings easily using the data extraction wizard.